One of the most popular hair trends that has been around for ages is the look of a bob. This season, we're seeing the look being updated in the form of mini bobs, playful tassel bobs, and even pixie bob variations. So, if you've been dreaming of cutting your hair into a bob, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these bob haircuts options and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's do a deeper dive and see some of the hot ways that you can wear a bob.